Go. I'm following you. You don't need to pedal fast because you're just going to end up rolling. Okay? You're not tired. We barely even went anywhere. See all those birds on the island? You ready to go again? Okay. Right there, straight ahead.
Whoa! That was big. Whoa! Yep. I'll go finish. So, doing my abs. Abs. Okay? You can put your hands like this, and you put your legs up. And if you want to be advanced, you lift your bum up in the air when you get to the top. Ooh, 1, 2. Oh, right here. And then you lift your legs up. There you go. 1, do 5. 2. There you go. Ooh, tight core. Oh, I can feel those muscles. 3, that's good. All right, let's go. Shot. These like this. Just 1, 2. It's just like trying to get up on your balance thing. You know, jump. Ooh, and then you let yourself down. Push up. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. And if you need help or assistance, you can put a foot over here, and that'll help you get more reps in.
Got it. Jump up. There you go. Get up. There you go.
That's hard.
Here, you know another.
There you go. Now, I want you to try it without using your hands. Put your hands on the green. There you go. There you go. Swoosh. Work it. Work it, Lily. Good exercise. Good form. All right, now burn out as fast as you can. Go. Go as fast as you can. Use your arms too. You can put the arms on there. Go. 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 Good job. There you go. Good job. 1, 2. Good job. Squeeze. 3. Good job. Oh, she's so strong. Whoosh. So right here in your back. Oh, I feel your back muscles. One more. Don't slam the weights. Don't slam. Are you pushing down? There you go. Don't slam. You come down slow. Come down slow. There you go. Push back up. Here, you sit. I'll help you. Okay. Ready? Go. There you go. Good job. Ooh, so strong. Ah! Just got you. Push it up. Go, 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 go. 2. It's hard, isn't it? Good. 2 more. Alright, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job.
He thought it was a shortcut, and then we have to go back. Now!
Well, we get to spend more time together.
You got it all inside of you. Keep it true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Wow. Wow. Lily.
Sorry.
Lily.
Sorry, Dad.
Did you just wreck into Mom's car?
Sorry.
Don't say sorry to me. Say sorry to Mom.
I'm so sorry, Mom.
I'm so sorry, Mom. You just wrecked into Mom's car. No, it's stuck, Lily. You hit it good. Let's go.